Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I recently had the pleasure of having lunch at the newly renovated restaurant Lemongrass Asian Bistro in Boca Raton, Florida, which truly stood out. The food was absolutely amazing, with each beautifully presented dish bursting with flavor. The menu is a combination of Thai and Japanese. The staff was incredibly friendly and attentive, making the experience even more enjoyable. The ambience was gorgeous, with stylish, serene, and decor that made it the perfect spot for a meal. I highly recommend this hidden gem. Please leave a comment down below and let me know which Asian options would you choose. So to start with my appetizer, I had a crispy vegetable spring roll with sweet chili sauce. They were crispy, hot, and delicious. I thought they were absolutely amazing. After my appetizer, I ordered a drink, which was a Thai tea. It was cold, refreshing, and delicious. These two courses were a great start to my meal. My first course was the garden salad with ginger and peanut dressing. This salad was very fresh with a nice ginger flavor. The peanut dressing was a good contrast to the ginger dressing. While the ginger was slightly spicy, the peanut sauce added a hint of sweetness. Overall, this salad was quite enjoyable. my main course, I ordered the steamed fish ginger, which was literally melted in my mouth. The fish was steamed to perfection, while the vegetables and the sauce complemented the dish very well. The waiter served me a side of steamed rice, but I also had the option of choosing brown rice. The combination of the ginger and the garlic had a nice aroma. Overall, my experience at Lemongrass Asian Bistro was nothing short of exceptional. From the beautifully balanced flavors to the elegant ambiance and attentive service, every detail came together perfectly. If you are in Boca Raton and craving an Asian fusion cuisine, this is definitely the place to visit.